We're at 831 Bay Cliff Road. This is in Gulf Breeze proper, just off of Highway 98. We're entering into the front door here, into our great room. We have a nice big fireplace. It is a gas fireplace. We have our formal dining area. Laminate runs throughout the majority of the home. It's nice gray color. You can match anything with it. And there is our front door. Here is our dining area. So this is on the front left of the home. And here is our fireplace again. If we go to our left, we have our kitchen. We do have beautiful focal island, pantries with pull-out drawers, stainless steel appliances, and we also have a breakfast nook. So here is that kitchen again. Continuing towards the back, here's our breakfast nook. We have a large picture window. Our entry from our garage. We have a mud cubby here, a half bath, and our washer dryer units. So this is the laundry and half bath. Coming back out, here's our kitchen again. Now we'll go back into the main living area. We'll continue towards the back of the home, so we're going to take a left. This would be great for an office or a kid's playroom, a mother-in-law suite. We have two French doors leading to the outside. We'll go out there in just a moment. Continuing on, we have our mother-in-law suite. This is the first full bedroom. We do have a walk-in closet and an ensuite. So here's our closet with built-in storage. Barn door closure to save some space. And you overlook our pool. Continuing on, we will go to our bathroom. So we have a walk-in shower, double sink vanity. Coming back out, we're passing our closet again into our living area. We'll go out to the backyard now. We do have a pergola as well as greenery and our pool area. So we are currently under the pergola. It's a beautiful day outside. We do have an outdoor shower here as well for quick rinse-offs. And then here is our pool. And we'll turn around here so you can see our patio. Perfect for summer gatherings and parties and barbecues. Walking back inside now. We'll go down to the other bedrooms and bathrooms. So we're back into the extra living area or office space, whichever you would like to use it as. Going back through our main living area, you can see our kitchen to the right. And there's our front door. Turning down our hallway here. We'll go right first. This is the second full bedroom. This was previously used as an office, so it is wired to accumulate and work with multiple TV monitors. So this is on the front of the home. Nice size closet here. We have hardwood flooring throughout these bedrooms. Heading back out. Directly across, we have another guest bedroom. We even have trophy shelves for your children's awards and trophies. Heading back out. Our next is our second bathroom. Again, double sink vanity. And then in the back, we have our commode and our tub shower combo. So here is that bathroom again. Heading back out. We're passing a closet here on our left, and then we're in another bedroom. This bedroom also has a trophy shelf, and it does have 2 closets as well, so lots of storage space in this room. This is on the back of the home, so you have 2 different windows, both looking into the backyard and the pool. Heading back out, we'll jump across the hallway. This is what used to be the main master, also with an attached ensuite. We do have a walk-in closet as well. And we'll show you that. So here is our closet space. And then we have our ensuite bathroom. So this is on the front of the home. You can see our front yard through there. And here is our bathroom. Nice walk-in shower, glass doors. Coming back out. We'll go back to the main living area. Again, this is 831 Bay Cliffs Road, offered by Barrons Property Managers, 850-934-2588. You can also view it at barronspm.com.